Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Outlook tasks to stay organized, manage your daily work, and keep track of important things you need to get done. Whether you're planning a project, organizing assignments, or simply writing down daily reminders, Outlook tasks is a simple but powerful tool that can help you stay on top of everything. The best part is that it syncs across your devices, so you can manage your tasks whether you're on your computer, tablet, or phone. So let's jump right in. To get started, open your browser and go to Microsoft's website. At the top of the page, look for the All Microsoft option and click on it. This will open a full list of Microsoft apps and services. From that list, select Outlook. Once Outlook opens, click Sign In and log in using your Microsoft account details. After signing in, you'll arrive at the Outlook home screen. Now direct your attention to the left side navigation panel. Here, you'll see different Outlook tools like Mail, Calendar, and more. Look for the To-Do icon and click on it. This opens Outlook Tasks, which is your personal task management workspace. Think of it like a digital notebook where you can write down tasks, organize them, and check them off when they're done. Now let's create your first task. In the task area, click Add a Task. A text field will appear where you can type what you need to do. Try to make the task name clear and action-focused. For example, instead of writing meeting, write something like prepare meeting slides or send client update email. Clear task names help you instantly understand what needs to be done without guessing later. Once you type your task name, click Add to save it. After creating a task, you may notice a star icon next to it. Clicking this star marks the task as important. This is useful for tasks that have deadlines or high priority. Marking important items helps them stand out so you can focus on what matters most instead of getting lost in a long list. When you complete a task, simply click the circle checkbox next to it. Outlook will mark it as completed, usually by checking it off or moving it into a completed section. This makes it easy to track your progress and gives you a quick view of what you've already finished. Now let's move on to more advanced options. Click on a task to open its details in the right side panel. This panel is where Outlook gives you more control over each task. Here, you can make your task more detailed and organized. For example, if your task has multiple parts, click the plus icon to add steps. Breaking a task into smaller pieces makes it easier to complete. If your task is Write Report, your steps might be Draft Content, Review Work, and Submit Final Version. This creates a simple roadmap you can follow. You'll also see options to add to My Day, set a reminder, and add a due date. Adding a task to My Day places it in your daily focus list, helping you decide what to work on today. Reminders are helpful if you don't want to forget something important, and due dates help keep deadlines visible. Another useful feature is the ability to attach files. If your task needs a document, spreadsheet, or supporting file, you can attach it directly to the task. You can also use the Notes section to write extra details, save links, or create mini checklists. This keeps everything related to that task in one place. If you ever create a task you no longer need, simply click the trash icon to delete it. This helps keep your workspace clean and organized, but make sure you no longer need it before removing it. And that's it. As you can see, Outlook Tasks is a simple and practical tool that makes organizing work much easier. Once you start using it regularly, managing your day becomes more structured and less stressful. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to leave a like, drop a comment below if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.